When the visitor come up in this compound, they have the privilege to witness the only show of the Marquesian culture. They can see our dance, the chant. We have also a tattoo house where they can learn about tattooing. They were the most extensively tattooed Polynesians. They were tattooed from head to toe. We also have a weaving demonstration where our mamas can teach them how to weave a headband or a basket. And we have many other activities on this compound. One of our specialty over here is to serenade the honeymooners.
Your Honor, welcome to French Polynesia, the islands of Tahiti. Here in Tahiti, we'll teach you how to do the fast hip shake dance. We call this dance a tamure. We teach the men how to knock their knees, which is called the paoti. For the women's dance, we call it the tamure.
Aloha! Aloha! Lift wide. 1, 2. Hands out. Snap your neighbors. Alternate, right, left, right. You want to do it?
going to invite our dancers. They're going to come out and dance for you a couple numbers. Okay, how about a big hand for our village dancers?